Right. So now I will explain that part also. Everyone see, last class we have to discuss second question is I will write on the board. What is the second question is? So check for one function, check for one function. So first bit is f of x is equal to modulus of x square plus 5x plus 6. Immediately what we can do mean modulus will make it as a either positive value also positive, negative value also positive. Okay, na? Positive value also positive, negative value also negative. That means two images have one. So one image will form. So positive value, negative value. Therefore, it is not a one function. How it is? For example, modulus of minus 3 value also plus 3, modulus of plus 3 value also plus 3. Therefore, minus 3 plus 3 both have the same image. Different elements have the different image, but the different elements have no different images, same image. Therefore, it is not a one function. We can see mean immediately we can tell. Okay, na? So very simply we can tell the answer is what we are going to tell. Every modulus function is not a so one function. Immediately we should write every modulus function is not a one function. Modulus function is not one function. What is the reasoning is understand. So I will give modulus of minus 3 is equal to plus 3. Modulus of plus 3 also plus 3. That means minus 3 image also 3 plus 3 image also 3. Therefore, different elements have the same image. Therefore, it is not a one function. It is only on. It is not a one function. If it is not a one function, means what we can say that it is a into function. Into function means it is not a one function. Is it clear? Understand? Because sir, into function will become as a onto function. Yes, it will become as a onto function. It will become as a some other function, but it is not a one function. Okay, na? Right. Yesterday I will write second bit also for this one. What is the second bit for that one is f of x is equal to sine of 4x. So without observation, you should be write down every trigonometric function is a one function. Every trigonometric function is a one function. No objection. What are here is a no x plus or 4x, 5x, 10x, whatever it may be, single x, whatever it may be, every trigonometric function is a one function. Simply we can be write down. Is it clear, everyone? Right. I go through the third problem. So find the set of all values of third problem C. Find the set of all. Find the set of all. Set of all values of small a. Set of all values of small a. Set of all values of small a for which the function for which the function what is the given function is for which the function everyone observe for which the function f is a mapping from R. First set also real number, second set also real numbers. First function also real number, second one also real number, domain also real number, and codomain also real number. F of x is equal to x cube plus a plus 2 into x square plus 3ax plus 5 is one function already given, is one function 3ax 3ax plus 5 is 1 function. Already he tell that 1 function. It is a 1 function already he mentioned. How can you do this problem, sir? So now this problem we can do by the any already 1 function is given mean we apply the derivative method. So by the derivative method only we can do this problem. What is the derivative method? One time we can observe. So here is the given function, apply the derivative. F dash x is equal to, so x cube derivative is the 3x square, a plus 2 is the coefficient, x square derivative is the 2x, 3a is the coefficient, x derivative is the 1, constant derivative is the 0. It should be right down. Okay? First it will become as a quadratic equation. It will become as a quadratic equation. Here is, so one was f dash of x is a increasing function or decreasing function. So any one increasing function also 1 function, decreasing function also 1 function. Any one function is a, so it is a 1 function. So f dash x is greater than 0 means f dash x is a positive value. Positive values are increasing. Okay, na? So now less than 0 means, so negative values are decreasing. So here is the positive value, increasing function. So immediately, so discriminant is always greater than or equal to 0. Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. Right now, what is the discriminant is b square. So 2 into a plus 2 whole square minus 4ac. A value is the 3 and C value is the 3a is greater than or equal to 0. So increasing function means is a discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, na? Next we can b square. Next we can write, so 4 into a plus 2 whole square minus 4 into 9a is greater than 0. Divide with 4. So divide with 4, 4 should be cancelled. So now a square plus 4a plus 4 minus 9a is greater than or equal to 0. So a square minus 5a plus 4 is greater than or equal to 0. Is it correct? Greater than or equal to 0. It is a greater than or equal to 0. Once again, we can see it is an increasing function means discriminant is a decreasing function. Opposite we can take. Sorry. Opposite we can take. So this is the decreasing. This is the decreasing. This is the decreasing. Okay. This is the decrease. Opposite we should be take. So f dash x is the increasing means discriminant is the decreasing function opposite. Now we can see. This is I am going to represent. This is I am going to represent a square factor a square minus 5a plus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Is it clear? Is less than or equal to 0. Then we should be apply. Here is greater than means here also less than only should be applied. Here also less than only should be applied. Here also less than only apply. Here also less than only apply. Okay, na? So only less than only apply. So opposite it should be remembered. Opposite, this is the increasing function means discriminant is less than 0. Always you should be remember opposite condition. So now the factors is a minus 1 into a minus 4 is less than 0. Immediately real line right now. What is the real line is minus infinity to plus infinity. One a value is 1, another a value is 4. So less than only, not included, not included. So whole circle not included, not included. Whole circle not included, whole circle only not included. So only less than only, okay, not included. So this is the positive. This is the this condition is the positive, and this is the positive. Last corner is the positive. This is the negative, and this is the positive. Required is the less than, means this side is the negative. Negative is lies between 1 to 4. Therefore, we should write A belongs to not including 1, not including 4. That is the A belongs to 1 comma 4 is the problem. So if already given, you should be remember it is the increasing function, mean discriminant is less than. This is the decreasing function, mean discriminant is greater than. That should be take opposite conditions. Okay, everyone, is it clear? Right. I go through the next fourth problem. Everyone see the object to fourth problem. F is a mapping from 2 to infinity is the domain. Codomain is Y defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5 is 1 function, is 1 already it is a 1 function. Then so first option is codomain belongs to real number. Second option is codomain belonging to the 1 to infinity. Third option, codomain belonging to the 4 to infinity. And fourth option, codomain belonging to the 5 to infinity. This is the given option. In this one, what is the correct one? We have to find out. Sir, easiest method is, sir, derivative, and another one we should be observing. What is the easiest method? Yes, we can apply the derivative method also. We can apply the derivative method. See, I am applying the derivative method. F dash x is equal to x square derivative in. So 2x, this is I am taking the greater than 0 increasing function. So x square derivative is 2x minus 4 greater than 0. Right. First starting is the x value is the 2, we can take x value 2 mean. So 4 minus 4 never be greater than 0. 2 is not taking. Never be greater than 0. X is equal to 3, we can take. X is equal to 3, we can take. X is equal to 3. 3 means 6 minus 4. 2 is greater than 0. Is it correct? 2 is greater than 0. So we are getting this is the simple method I am going to explain. So see, every quadratic equation is the parabola. Its point of contact is minus b by 4a. Its contact number is the minus b by 4a minus d by 4a minus b by 2a minus d by, this is the x value, this is the y value. So b value, write down what is the b value, is the minus 4, minus is the plus 4 by 2, a value is the x square coefficient is the 1. So minus d means b square means minus 4 square minus 4 AC, a value 1, c value is the 5, by denominator is the 4, a value is the 1. Okay, next see, 2 times is cancel, 2 times is cancel. Here is, so minus 16 minus 20 means minus 4 minus is the plus 4 by 4 is the 1. So x value is the 2, y value is the 1. Here x value is the 2, y value is the 1. X value is the 2, y value is the 1. Y value is required. Y value is going on increases. Y value is going on increases up to infinity. Therefore, y belongs to 1 to infinity, including 1 also, 1 to infinity. Therefore, the answer is second option is the correct one. So derivative method also apply, or this method also apply, quadratic equation method. So we can get it easily. But its point of contact should be, remember, minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. Okay, na? So this is the problem. Is a completed objective. Right. We should go through the everyone. So into function, many one function. So many one function. If it is not a one function, then we say that it is a many one function. So many one function, many one function, many one function. If it is not a one function, if mapping from A to B is not a one function, is not one function, is not one function, then it is called as a many one function. If it is not a many ones are. So the many one is, so any one, many one is the any one, many one is the any one. It should be any one. So either on to or subject, whatever it may, but it is not a one. So it is not a one function. Then it is called as a, then it is called as a many one function. Called as many one function. Many one function is not a function. Just it is a name only. Just is a name only, not a one. Just it is a name. Not a one means it say that it is a many one function. That's enough. Sir, many one function, what type of the function? No name. Just we say that it is not a one, we say that many one. So many one will become as a onto function, sir. Yes, it will become as a onto function also. It will become as a some other function also, but not one. Okay, right? Number of many one functions, number of many one functions, many one functions, number of many one functions is equal to number of functions, number of functions, number of functions minus one function, minus number of one functions, minus number of one functions. So number of many one function, total number of functions is 2 power of n of a into n of b, number of elements in a set into number of elements minus number of one function is n of b permutation n of a. N of b permutation n of a. This is the point we should be right. Many one is not a function, just it is a name only. If it is not a one, we say that it is a many one function. That's enough only. Okay, na? Many one function. How less than zeros are? How less than zero na? Right, see. So, Basavaraj, so any increasing function means is discriminant is less than zero. Opposite we should be take. That is the condition. Why it is a increasing value means, so increasing function means the graph is going on increases means you should have the real values. You should have the real value. Real values mean then you should be represented. Actually, discriminant is the less than zero, sir. No real values is the imaginary. Here condition is not that one. Here condition is increasing function means discriminant is less than zero is the condition. So that means then only we get the real values. Discriminant make it as a less than zero, automatically we get the increasing values. Increasing value, that is the condition. Okay, na? Right, everyone see. Next we go through the onto function. Now everyone write down the onto function. Onto function. Now everyone see. Onto function. Onto function. Another name is surjective. Another name is onto function. Another name is the subjective. Another name is, I will write onto function is. So surjective name, surjective function. Another name is the surjective function. What is the onto function? Definition is simple. Range and codomain both are equal. It is called as a onto function. Range and codomain, both are equal. It is called as a onto function. That's a very simple point. But working method is the difficulty. Everyone see. So I will write first. If F is a mapping from A to B, is said to be. So is said to be onto function, is said to be onto function, is said to be onto function. Every element of, for every element of B, every element of set B has pre-images in set A. Pre-images in set A. That is called as a It is called as a onto function. This is called as a onto function. Right, everyone see. This is called as a onto function. Simple is, so codomain is equal to, simple is codomain is equal to range. Codomain is equal to range. This is the simple definition. Codomain and range both are equal. Then we say that it is a onto function. How it is, we can discuss in problems only. Exercise problems are very nice to work out. Just I will tell the objective problems, you can finish. After then, exercise problems we can do now. After then, we should be practice the objective problems. We get idea about that one. Okay, na? Right? Everyone see. So codomain is equal to range. So working method for problems. Working method for problems. Everyone see. What is the working method for problems is? Working method for problems is, everyone observe. Working method for problems is, everyone observe. So for all, so first one we take the, for all f of x1 belonging to the, for all y belonging to the B set, such that, this is the symbol of for all, this is the symbol of belongs to, such that for all y belongs to B, there exists x belongs to A, such that f of x is equal to y. So this is the range is equal to codomain. The range is equal to codomain is called as a onto function. How can you prove? I will tell in problems. Okay, then only we can understand. Okay, na? So how can you prove? I will explain. Everyone, you should be understand. Clearly, we should be understand. So I will explain. Don't worry about that one. Right. Everyone see. So working method is the completed number. Just you can see. I will write objective problems for this one. Objective problems for this one. Everyone see. To next class, that is tomorrow. So everyone must be joined. Don't see the videos. We can't get some doubts. That's why everyone come to the live. Okay, na? So everyone must be, should be remembered. almost are seeing the videos, sir. That is, sir, they are going to give in the after 15 is the degree college permission. They are going to give in. So for this month ending or August first week, they are going to give in the PUC colleges also going to permission. So yesterday, a vaccination program is completed in engineering colleges and degree colleges. All students they will take. So they are going to start the after July 15. They are going to open the degree colleges and engineering colleges. Next, our chance is there. That's why you should be very careful. You should be learn. So I'm radio seeing, sir. I will see, sir. I will have this, sir. So that means we can't understand. Everyone must be joined. We should be remembered. Here we will get network problems. So we are watching YouTube video. So network problem is now only we get mobile is a hotspot. I will open immediately. I will be starting that one. No problem. Okay, na? So network problem is there immediately. With my only I will open my network only. So hotspot only I will open. I will teaching that one. Actually, no. Here is a network. So you should be see alternative. No service, nobody will cannot be tell. Right, everyone see. Discuss subject to discuss subjectivity of FPJ matching from Z to Z, integer to integer, defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. How I am going to prove onto function is observe. Everyone observe. Integer first given write down. Given should be write down, but here is the z means given that. Given z means integers minus infinity minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 2 plus infinity. This is called integers. So next f of x is given. What is the given? F of x is the 3x plus 2. What is the procedure, sir? What is the procedure for immediately you should be take y is equal to f of x. Y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to f of x. What is the f of x value? Write down. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Immediately find out x value. What is the x value? Is y minus 2 by 3 is equal to x. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to x. Now, y values, integer value, already y values is the integer. Integer value substitute, we get the same integer x value. X also integer. So, x also integer. Here, A set is the x value and B set is the y value. So, y values is the second set integers. Second set also integer and first set also integer. A set also integer, second set also integer. Y value also integer, x value also integer. Y value integer substitute, we get the x integer value. Simply we say that it is a onto. If we are not get any one condition is failed. Sir, while joining there are. So everyone see. So everyone observe. So take y value see the integer minus 1 minus 2. Y value I am taking minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 by 3. It is the x. By division minus 1 is equal to x. Minus 1 is the integer. Therefore minus 1 belong to x. Is it correct? So second one see. So minus 2 will take minus 2 by 3 is equal to x. So minus 4 by 3 is equal to x. But minus 4 by 3 is not a integer. is not a integer, it is a rationalizing fail. Any one condition is fail, then immediately we say that it is not a onto function. Here x is a rational number is came. Here is the integer. One condition also failed. We say that it is not a onto function. Therefore, f is not onto. One condition also failed. Immediately we say that it is not a onto function. Understand it is clearly, everyone? Right. Everyone see the second problem. Tomorrow I will start the exercise. Second problem. Discuss subject to f is a mapping from real numbers without 3. A set is the without 3 to r minus of all real numbers except 1 defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 2 by x minus 3. Right, x minus 2 by x minus 3. Everyone observe, this is a it is a onto not a onto. We can observe. Everyone see here, real numbers is given in a set without real numbers is given a set without 3. Real numbers without 3. Don't substitute 3. Here real numbers